Angela and Courtney are witnesses for the defense at the contempt hearing for Richard Allen on March 18th, and the defense claims they have never heard of Paul. Attorneys Andrew Baldwin and Brad Rozzi claim to have had no knowledge of nor participated in the leaks.
Yeah, so I'll let you take it away. I don't have a whole lot of nice things to say.
Well, I don't think any of us do, but yeah, all I know, and this is all I'm going to say, and you guys are giving me the floor. So, let me just say that, you can subpoena Discord, you can get information from Discord, and you can find out whatever the fuck you want to accuse me from. Anybody out there who's fucking Judge Gull, you in particular, you're going to put some bullshit on the fucking docket. You better back that shit up with receipts, boy. I'm telling you what. You better.
Is that a threat?
It's whatever she wants it to be. If you're gonna put some shit on the docket like that accuses me of some shit that I can fucking prove it 10 times fucking over with my phone, with my fucking computer, everything. You're gonna put some bullshit on the docket like that. All right.
I mean, in case people didn't figure it out by our reaction after this whole leak thing, in case our reaction wasn't a good indicator, we were like the only ones that did not get crime scene photos.
I don't fucking even want them.
I mean, all of our conversations were just, I mean, nothing indicated it. I mean, give me a break. I don't really understand how a couple of people can be named as potential witnesses for a bullshit hearing that shouldn't exist in the first place.
Right. Yeah. To begin with, it's a big mess to begin with. But at the same time, like, come on, dude. Like, who's going to put some fucking stupid shit on there like that you can just verify? You can subpoena Discord.
Right.
You can get people's phone records.
Right.
Like, what is that shit? What a fucking joke. No wonder why that whole state is a fucking joke.
I don't understand how just any citizen out there can write a letter to the court. You don't even have to live in this country, apparently, but you can write a letter to the court. You can just say whatever you want, and then have it go live forever in the case file. Yeah,
no, it's outrageous. And, it's just like the case in general. It's the same thing. Everything is indicative of exactly the type of operation they run there. Everything from top to fucking bottom. Like, you have a man who's sitting in prison who they have no fucking proof that he did anything. And now the exact same thing is playing out in the actual court proceedings to get him in the lead up to this trial. That's probably never going to happen, because what we all already know and how we feel is that they're going to fucking arrest them on Monday morning. They're going to arrest them. You know that. That's what they're going to do.
I don't know that. I know.
They're going to. I guarantee you. That fucking clown ass court, that judge, they are going to arrest them. I guarantee you.
All of them? Like,
yeah.
All the attorneys?
Yeah. I really think they are going to.
If there's a world where that is, I'm not even talking like legally possible, because nothing that has occurred is like sound, legally speaking. But I mean, I see no reason for any of us to assume that this hearing there's not going to be any kind of evidentiary hearing in the afternoon. She's going to immediately disqualify them. Like, I feel like we're all on the same page about that. Nobody is like, she's going to
that's why it's never been put on the docket. There's this.
No, I've been screaming this, for weeks, because we found that, and I think maybe I'll show this later. I feel like I'm in the mood to like ruffles and feathers, but we found, we found evidence that McClellan was like colluding as far back as like October 9th or something already to get Hennessy thrown off the case before anybody knew who Hennessy was. So, right. I mean, if anybody is still thinking that there's any chance of a legitimate hearing or evidentiary anything on Monday, please don't waste your money. I think it's good to exercise civil, participation, but it's going to be a wasted trip because it's going to be short and sweet. And hopefully no one shows their ass, because she's just waiting to arrest somebody. I could see getting heated and whatever, though. I mean, they got bond, we got bail money, it's fine. But it's just like an absolute perversion of justice. I can't imagine what the Indiana Supreme Court is thinking. This is such a clown show. This is such a poor reflection of the Indiana judiciary in general. Like I'm
embarrassed.
I'm embarrassed. It's embarrassing. So that's my spiel, but